Om Shri Sai Ram. New chapter is magnetic effects of electric current. Now, this is a magnet. The magnet means it has magnetic field. In magnet, two poles are there. In this pole is called north pole and this one is called south pole. Why it is called north and why it is south? The dotted portion is north pole and another pole is south pole. So, magnet means it has two poles. It is a bar magnet. In bar magnet, how many poles? Two poles. One is north, another one is south. The dotted part or this portion is called north pole and this one is called south pole. Now, this is another magnet. The magnet which attracts each other or it repels. Why it attracts or repels? The magnets has the magnetic field. Very, very important. The magnet has magnetic field. Magnetic field. Therefore, it attracts or repels. The attraction or repels means it is the one type of force. So, the force is exerted by this magnet. So, magnet means it attracts each other or repels each other. Why it attracts? Why it repels? Because of the magnetic field. That force means it is magnetic field. This is a north pole. Another magnet, the dotted portion, it is also a north pole. If I bring north pole of one magnet and north pole of another magnet, it attracts or repels. It means these are the like poles because north and north means it is a like poles. Like poles, it repels. Repels means ಒಂದನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ದೂರಕ್ಕೆ ತಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ ವಿಕರ್ಷಿಸ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೋಲ್ಸ್ ಸಜಾತಿಯ ಧ್ರುವಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ವಿಕರ್ಷಿಸ್ತದೆ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರಿಪೆಲ್ಸ್. ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪೋಲ್ and this one is south pole. They attracts. Why they attracts? Because south and north and south, it means it is a unlike pole. Unlike poles always attracts. This is a very important concept. In a magnet, like poles attracts each other. The like poles, they repel each other, but the unlike poles, they repel each other. The like poles, they repel each other, then unlike poles, they attracts each other. Now, because of the magnetic field. Now tell me, what do you mean by magnetic field? Now, this is a bar magnet. It has two poles, one is north and south. Two magnets attract each other because of the force. So, if it is a bar magnet, the region around the magnet in which the force is detected, that force is called a magnetic field. Very important. What is magnetic field? If it is a magnet, the region around the magnet, ಈ magnet ನ ಸುತ್ತು, the region around the magnet in which the force of the field or the force of the force which is detected means it is magnetic field. So, what do you mean by magnetic field? The magnetic field, the region around the magnet in which the force can be detected means that force is called magnetic field. Now, magnetic field we can show with the help of one experiment. Yes. Now, this is a bar magnet. After this, it is a glass slab kept like this. Then this is called iron fillings, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಹುಡಿ. Now spread these iron fillings to the glass slab. Spread the iron fillings to that glass slab. We've seen the magnetic field and lines. Look at the experiment. Now strike slowly From this experiment, we get magnetic field. Look at the magnetic field. It is created by that iron fillings. Look at carefully. The magnetic field, not only magnetic field, there is a magnetic field lines. These lines are called the magnetic field, which indicates in the line, in the form of line, that line is called magnetic field lines. Now look at these lines. They do not intersect each other. They do not intersect. Then the number of maximum number of magnetic lines where it present at the poles. Look at the poles. This one is north pole and this one is south pole. In a pole there are maximum number of magnetic lines are present. So we get the magnetic field and magnetic field lines from a bar magnet with the help of iron fillings. From the experiment we get magnetic field and field lines. Now this is a north direction, this one is south direction. What is the direction of magnetic field lines? The direction of the magnetic field line is always north to south. This is the magnetic line. What is the direction of magnetic lines? It is north to south. The direction of magnetic lines is north to south. Another magnetic line, what is the direction of this one? It is also north to south. Then north to south. These are different magnetic lines. What is the direction of these magnetic lines? It is north to south. And so very important, first property of magnetic lines or magnetic field lines is the direction of the magnetic field lines is north to south. Then the magnetic lines are the maximum number of magnetic lines are present in the poles, different poles. These are the different poles. In the poles there are maximum number of field lines are present. What is the direction of this magnetic line? It emerged from north to south. So this is the direction of magnetic field lines. Now it is south. So this is the direction. This is the direction of the magnetic field lines. Where these magnetic lines are, maximum number of magnetic lines are located at the poles. It means the north and south. And another thing, these magnetic field lines do not intersect each other. They do not meet at a common point. They do not cross each other. They do not intersect each other. The magnetic field lines have both the magnitude and direction. Therefore, it is a vector quantity. So, what is the difference between vector and scalar? The vector means that has magnitude and direction. Scalar means it has only magnitude. Then it is called scalar. Now, this is a vector. Why it is called vector? Vector because it has both the direction and magnitude. Yes, what is the direction of these magnetic field lines? North to south. Why it is called, it has a magnitude? Yes, because the maximum number of magnetic field or the force where it present at the north and south pole. Now, the distance is increased means the force of attraction it will decreases. The distance from the magnet is increased means there is an object, that is a iron object. Here it means the force of attraction is less. The object is now kept here means the force of attraction is highest. Therefore, magnitude has magnitude. So, the magnetic field lines has both the magnitude and direction. These are the different properties of magnetic field. Another thing, magnetic effects of electric current. Our chapter is magnetic effects of electric current. Why it is given? The magnetic effects of electric current. It means, now this is a magnetic needle. If I bring the magnet near to the magnetic needle, there is any deflection? Just look at this. Yes, there is a deflection. Why there is a deflection? Because this magnetic needle, it behaves like a magnet. So, this is also a magnet, this one also a magnet. So, there is a attraction or repel. Now, just look at this. there is a attraction. Now there is a repel. So attraction repel because of the magnetic field. Now magnetic effects of electric current. The magnetic effects of electric current. Is electric current which experiences a magnetic field? Is it possible? Now this is a conductor. Conductor means it allows the current to pass through them. So this is called conductor. This is a cell, simple cell. Now connect the conductor to this cell and it becomes current carrying conductor. Is it? Because it is cell, it has voltage and current. Therefore, now this becomes current carrying conductor. If I bring this current carrying conductor near to the compass needle, if there is deflection means that current carrying conductor which experiences magnetic field, correct? Okay, let's see. If I bring this current carrying conductor near to the compass, there is a deflection. Yes, there is a deflection. Just look at this. There is a deflection. It shows deflection. It shows deflection. Therefore, what we conclude? The current carrying conductor which experiences magnetic field. It means both the magnet means it contains magnetic field. In the same way, the current carrying conductor which also experiences magnetic field. So, magnetic effects of electric current. What is the meaning? Magnetic effects of electric current means the electric current, the current carrying conductor which experiences magnetic effect or magnetic field. If I change the direction of electric current, there is any difference in the deflection? Let's see. Look at the cell. This is the positive terminal of the cell and this one is called negative terminal. Now this end of the conductor, it is connected to positive terminal and another end is connected to negative. Now look at the deflection. It repels, correct? It repels. It not attracts, it repels. Now change the direction of the current. Change the direction of the current. Then there is a repel or attraction. Look at the deflection. Now it attracts. Now it attracts. What is the meaning of this? When we change the direction of current, the direction of the magnetic field also changes. When it changes, the magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field changes with respect to the direction of the current. If we change the direction of the current, then magnetic field also changes its direction. So in this class, we have discussed magnetic field lines and some of the characteristics of magnet. Some of the questions, write down. First question is, what is magnetic field? Second question, write the properties of magnetic field lines. Another question, draw a diagram of field lines around a bar magnet. Sai Ram.